ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
Today, it's the premier range of tools from Bulldog. Skillfully crafted tools with the strength you can trust in your garden. British heritage and reliability reflect the traditions upon which the Bulldog name has been built. Skill and craftsmanship have been key to the company's success. For over 240 years, our famous forged garden spades and forks have heads made from a single piece of steel. No welds, no weak points. To see the complete Bulldog Premier range, please ask at your local garden centre.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those presents.